press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is a Priya Varrier inspired makeup look. She is an internet sensation right now. She's going on all over the internet, and this is the look which is flooding on the internet right now. So I thought of recreating it, and yes, I have recreated this look. And if you want to know how I have recreated this beautiful Priya Varrier inspired makeup look, then please keep on watching. Hey my fam, how are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So as always, I have completed my eyebrows and my color correction because it is a lengthy process, and I really hate making my videos lengthy because I guess then you guys would get bored. So yes, I have a separate video on how I film my eyebrows and my color correction thing, so I would be leaving the link in the bottom bar so you can go and check it out. And now let's get ahead with the video. So because in her video and in her photos, Priya Varrier is having a really nice and no makeup look, so I would be going ahead with that mindset. And for my base, I'm using this my homemade BB cream. This is a really great BB cream, guys, and if you haven't checked this out, so yes, I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar. So this is a really nice BB cream, and yes, I would be applying it on my skin. And this is great for dry skin and also for normal and oily skin. It works as your skin, so it would give you a really nice sheer coverage and also hydrate your skin because it has very nice goodness in it. So yes, if you want to know how I have made this BB cream, so I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar. So I would be using a very little amount like this. So first I would be spreading it on my face, and then I would be applying it with the help of a beauty sponge. Okay, not to forget the neck area. And now with the help of my beauty sponge, I would blend it out. Now because she is having a no makeup look on her face, so I would be focusing under my eyes because I have some blueness under my eyes, and so I would be highlighting my under eyes and also the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, the usual jazz, guys. Nothing really special, but yes, I want a flawless no makeup look like Priya Varrier. I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade medium. So yes, let's get ahead. So I'm over with my concealing, my highlighter concealing, and now I would be setting up my face with this Lakme compact, and with the help of a normal brush, I would just be setting my under eyes, my eyelids, my forehead a little bit. Now I'm adding a very little eyeshadow on my eyelids because I want a hint of color on my eyelids. If you want, you can skip this. So I'm using this my current obsession Savannah Colors highlight palette. This is a great palette, guys. So I'm using this brown color. This is a very cool brown color. So with the help of my blending brush, I would be just placing it on my outer V, and then just I'm blending it in. So you see, I have barely used the eyeshadow color, just a hint of color on my eyelids. So this is it for my eyeshadow, and it has given me a really nice look on my crease. So yes, this is it for my eyeshadow, and now moving ahead for my eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. This is one of the affordable eyeliner and also gives you a great results, guys. She had a small flick on her eyes with the eyeliner, so I have also gone for a small flick. Now for my kajal, I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal, and Priya Varrier had beautiful thick cold eyes, so I would be recreating the same look, the same thick cold eyes. So I'm using this kajal, and I would be also using this smudger brush because she had a soft cold eyes. So yes, let's get ahead. Now for my mascara, I'm using this Lakme Iconic Curl Mascara, and this is a great mascara. So my eye makeup is completed, and now moving ahead for my blush. For my blush, I'm using this Faces Glam On blush, which is in the shade Hot Pink. Now a little bit bronzing because my face is looking flat, so I want a nice 3D look on my face. So yes, I need a bronzing, so I'm using the same Simana Colors highlight palette. It has beautiful highlighter shades, bronzing shades, beautiful colors, guys. So I'm using this color right here. So I would be just bronzing up my face. And now for my lip color, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte. Yes, it's a mouthful of words. So I'm in the shade, it's some brown. I have just lost the name, I guess. So yes, I would be applying it. And now with the help of my beauty sponge, I would be grabbing all the excess makeup from my face so that my makeup looks flawless. So yes, this is the end result of my Priya Varrier inspired makeup look, and she is a sensation right now on internet. She is all across the internet. She is an internet sensation right now, and I thought of recreating this beautiful Priya Varrier inspired makeup look. And she had beautiful cold eyes and lined up eyes and a no makeup look kind of a look on her face. So yes, this is the look I have created, and I hope you would also recreate this look. And if you recreate it, please share it with me on my Instagram. I would love to see your recreation. So yes, this was the look, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, this was all for this video. I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye. See ya.